How to integrate Google Calendar and Monday.com. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can integrate Google Calendar and Monday.com. So let's get started. First of all, open your Monday.com. You need to have an account on Monday.com before that. And here at the left side, you'll be able to see your workspaces. So you can either select your existing workspace or click on this plus icon in order to add an item to the workspace. Or you can even click on these three dots and here you can either edit workspace or add new workspace. So now over here, I'm going to click on my existing project. That is my first project. And you will be brought to your main table. Now over here, you could see integrate. So just click on integrate. This is basically an automation center and you'll be able to see various templates here. So go to the search bar and search for Google Calendar. And you'll be able to see Google Calendar over here. So just click on Google Calendar. And once you click on Google Calendar, you will be redirected to this interface where there are some options. Now, the first one is that when an event is created in Google Calendar, create an item and sync future changes from Google Calendar. It means that all of your tasks from Google Calendar will be synced into Monday.com. And over here from Monday.com, the task will be synced into Google Calendar. And now this is basically that the person is assigned to someone and an event is created. So let me select this when an item is created or updated, create an event in Google Calendar. So just you have to do is click on connect. And once you click on connect, it will take a few seconds in order to process that. And you have to select your email account, then click on continue. And then now here, you need to give them permissions. Monday.com can access, see, edit, delete, or download permanent contacts, and you can see, edit, share, and permanently delete all the calendars. And here you have already synced with your Google, so they'll just automatically tick it. And just give it a read. Click on privacy policy and terms of service, and then click on continue. Now once you click on continue, you'll be redirected to your Monday.com. In a while, it will take a few seconds in order to process the changes, and you'll be brought back to your Monday.com tasks. And over here, they'll show another interface to you. So when an item is created or updated, create an event in Google Calendar and sync future changes from this board. So you can create an automation in this way so that all of your events can be synced from Google Calendar to Monday.com. So what you do is click on event over here. And once you click on event, you can add title, description, and location. Now you can see how fields in Google Calendar will populate from current board columns. So you can click on either this plus icon or write down any location of your own. Same goes for description and same goes for title. And after that, you can click on done. So that is basically how you can integrate Google Calendar and Monday.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.